Hey folks, it's Paul Lash. It's a chilly day here at our Clark's Landing, Stevensville operation, but it's a perfect day because I wanted to call your attention to this 2024 Sea Ray 230 SPX. This is a brand new boat. The boat has never been used and it's being made available with full factory warranty. This 230 SPX sport boat is designed for family fun, whether you want to do tubing or beginning wakeboarding or even skiing. This boat offers a tremendous amount of opportunity for those things. I want to call your attention to the hull. There's 3 lifting strikes on each side. These are designed to pop the boat up, get it up on the water. It reduces the effect of drag on the hull, and it's going to pop up and get it up on plane quickly. Dead rise on this boat, which is actually the amount of wetted surface under the water, was measured about 2/3 of the way back. And this is a 19-degree dead rise, and everything 19 degrees and above is considered a deep V. 13 to 19 degrees is considered a modified V. The difference is when you have a deep V boat, you're going to get a drier ride without the slap that you find on modified V boats. The other thing is here, there's a reverse chine because of this angle here, that if it was a hard chine, it would just come straight out without this reverse angle. It's a rounded chine is usually found on trawler type boats that are built down to a keel. Okay? And what this means for you, give you an exceptional ride at a 4.5 liter, 250 horsepower inboard outboard engine with an alpha drive. If you are doing these water sports, you've got a full width swim platform that can be used as a launch platform. All right, folks, we're inside the 230 SPX, and I want to call your attention to a few things. First of all, is a walk-through windshield with powder-coated and metal pieces here. The boat does include a head with porta potty, which is in this compartment right here. But one of the neat things is that this boat is not just wrapped with vinyl. It's wrapped with premium, luxurious, stitched vinyl. It's 41 mils. Okay, and look at all the stitching here on the backrest here, and also the inside bolsters here. Moving back here to the helm, okay, you'll see that includes a Simrad 9-inch screen, which is touch screen. It includes the chart plotter and all the Mercury VesselView information for your engine comes up there. Also included is a premium Fusion stereo system that's Bluetooth, give you Wi-Fi streaming as well. What that means is that you have a tremendous ease of use operation here at this boat. Okay, a few switches for lights and pumps and so forth, control arm, okay, and also a emergency cutoff switch. Plenty of underdeck storage. Okay, backrest. If you are using this boat for tubing, skiing, or wakeboarding, you know that there obviously has to be one person operating the boat and one person as an observer watching, and that will allow you to do that. This goes down and makes a complete sun pad. Other options on this boat include the second bucket seat instead of the bench seat going this way. Dual battery system. Up forward, there's an anchor with chain and rode. Plenty of cup holders with drains, and they're also lighted. Courtesy lights in the cup holders and drain. A igloo cooler down below. Access to the engine compartment right here. Okay. So, folks, that's an overview of the 230 SPX. It's available through Clark's Landing. Remember, it's a brand new boat. It includes all new warranty. As always, thank you so much for your consideration. And remember, Bob's your uncle.